guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mimi, and today we're going to make another Instant Pot recipe. I'm so excited. This is super convenient and perfect for on the go. Now, today we're going to make a roast pork loin, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Okay guys, so in here I have about 3 pounds of pork loin, and I'm going to just start adding my ingredients. So here I have about a 1/4 cup of tomato paste, and I mixed it with a 1/4 cup of water to make it more manageable. And I'm just gonna pour that right on my loin. And here I have a little bit of épices left. You guys know I use my épices in everything. I even have a recipe on Cooking with Mimi. So I would say I have about 4 tablespoons of épices. So I'm just gonna use this whole thing. And I also put some water in here to get some of the excess épices. Next, I have sherry cooking wine. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this in here. I'm gonna add some acid to it. Okay. Then next, I'm gonna add my Worcestershire sauce. So about a teaspoon of that, a few dashes. Then here I have a hot sauce, a chili habanero hot sauce that I like to use for a little kick. You can use any hot sauce of your liking, or you don't have to use hot sauce at all. It's totally optional. So a teaspoon of that. Then I have a pork bouillon that I'm going to use. Like that. I'm just gonna crush it up. And this is just good for flavor. Perfect. Okay, next I'm going to add white pepper. A teaspoon of that. Then I'm going to add sazonador complete seasoning. A teaspoon of that. Garlic and onion powder. Teaspoon of that. Next, I'm going to add a seasoning salt, Haitian seasoning salt. You could use any seasoning salt of your liking. This is just my preference, and that's a teaspoon of that. And I'm going to add Larry's seasoning salt. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of that. Guys, you may think this is too much seasoning, but I'm all about flavor. Going to add another total seasoning. Half a teaspoon of that. And last but not least, Goya adobo. Gonna add that in there. And that's about a teaspoon. So I have my spoon, and I just want to mix everything in. Now I'm going to add my peppers. Here I have 1 cubanelle pepper cut up, in quarters, and I had a giant red pepper, and I also cut that up. So I'm gonna add that in here. And next, I'm going to add my onions and shallots. Here I have 1 whole shallot and 2 whole onions. I cut it up in quarters. Put that in here. And then I have a few sprigs of thyme here. Add that in. 3 carrots. Cut it up pretty nice sizes. This looks beautiful, guys. And last but not least, I have recaillo, also known as Spanish cilantro. And this is just for freshness and flavor. It gives it a really good taste of freshness to it. I like that. And last but not least, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water. And then give it one last quick stir. Now, I'm going to show you guys how I set up my Instant Pot. So you want to turn it on, and you guys see the pressure cook setting blinking, and you see it's like on pressure high, 30 minutes. So then you want to click, like, you could go here and then choose how long you want it to cook for. So 30 minutes is good for me. And the pressure, let me see, you could either put it on low or high. I'm gonna cook it on low. Oop. Gonna cook it on low pressure, and I want it to keep on, so that's good for me. Okay. So now I'm going to put my top on. So you put it on and twist it, and then you just click start. And it makes that little beep beep sound. So here it's on. So first it's gonna start preheating, and then after it preheated, that's when the cooking process is going to start. So now that you guys know how to set it up, also you guys want to push this down, and you release the pressure afterwards. Okay, so I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of my roasted pork loin. It smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in. And look at this, guys. In just 30 minutes, I have dinner ready. In just 30 minutes. Super easy. And look how nice and moist, and it's glistening. Yes, look at that. Alright guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And please subscribe, like, share, and comment what I should make next down below. See you next time on Cooking with Mimi.